Hello, welcome to my channel 2-Minute English. Follow us to master English every day. Do you know? There are some memorable moments in our life. Birth. The moment a person enters the world, even though they cannot remember it, is the beginning of each person's life. First day of school. The first time stepping into a classroom, meeting friends, and beginning the journey of learning. Graduation. The moment of completing a level of education, such as high school or college, marking an important milestone in one's academic journey. Wedding day. The day of marrying the person one loves is one of the happiest and most memorable moments in life. Having a child. Becoming a parent and welcoming the first child is an experience full of emotion and meaning. Getting the first job. The moment when a person officially enters the workforce and becomes financially independent. Losing a loved one. Though painful, the loss of a loved one leaves deep impressions on the soul. What's the most memorable moment in your life? Tell me in the comment.